Hello, welcome to the channel. So here is our lint trap cleaning kit. I believe it's 42 inches. I haven't measured it, but I did take this out just before making the video here. And 42 inches long. I guess we'll start with the brush here and loosen up any lint. Okay, maybe that's 42 inches long. So here's the setup, part 1, 2, 3, and then your vacuum cleaner. Has some instructions. If you do purchase this, make sure you go over these. It just tells you the assembly using for an even deeper cleaning. I'll try to go over all this when I'm actually cleaning the dryer. So really, figure 8 here is if your lint trap is down at the bottom, that's kind of what they're doing there, is cleaning it that way. Mine's going to be at the top. We'll see that later. And then outside, where the exhaust comes out, usually it's outside of the house. You can also do the same on that end. Take the rubber part, push it over like that. Take the tapered flexible hose. Okay, kind of snap. It's really secure there. I'm not going to probably have a problem getting it off. But that's what we do. Then we'll connect this end to our vacuum cleaner hose. So I have a Power Max Dirt Devil, and then we've got the Power Force Bissell here. Not really sure what I'll go with, but thinking they're going to work just fine on both of these. So with the Dirt Devil, take the hose out top here. We should be able to slide our attachment right on that. So here's our rubber end. The hard plastic will just go in there. It's got three or four sections to kind of lock in place. You've got the first one, the second one, third one. Yeah, there's 4. So we'll just go as deep as we can. So I'm pretty sure that's going to work out. Let's try the Bissell and see if it will work as well. Okay, so the Bissell, same thing. Just push it until we can push it no more, and it will lock in right over this part. So that'll be good as well. I'm probably going to go with the Dirt Devil. If you have a shop vac, I'm sure that this will work. I know that they have tried many vacuum cleaners hoses, so shouldn't be a problem. So let's go ahead and go downstairs where the dryer's at. Here we are now in the basement with the Kenmore dryer. This is a dryer with the vent trap at the top. Some will be, right around here at the door. What we'll do first is use the brush, the long brush here, and try to break up any lint, dust that's already, settled down in there. I don't think it's that dirty, really. I know I've cleaned this off after using it, so we're good as far as the screen goes here. Let's just put that aside. Alright, so we'll take the brush. I did unplug the dryer. It's quite a bit here. So I'm going to take this and put this in a garbage can here. Okay, I actually took that outside and cleaned it off. Let's go in there again. Now we don't have to completely clean it all with the brush, you know, we're going to use the vacuum. Just kind of break it up really good. Alright, so I'll clean that off and then we'll go to the vacuum hose. So I've got my vacuum cleaner elevated here on the washing machine so that the hose will be pretty much just kind of level. Once I pushed the hose from the vacuum cleaner into the attachment here, it really locked in place, so that's not going to come out easy at all. I will have to use two hands and really pull on that to get it off. So we're going to turn the vacuum cleaner on, and we're just going to reach across here. Shouldn't be any crimping at all, and we'll just go as deep as we can go with the hose. I wasn't going to do this, but since we're already here involved, I'm going to go ahead and take these screws out, and we're going to lift the top here. Don't want to drop these screws, and we're going to clean inside around the drum. So to remove the top on this dryer, there's clips. There's one here and one on this side here. I really need kind of a flat screwdriver to get in there. I may be able to just pull it up with my hands. However, I'm going to have to pull it out because once I do get it up, I'm going to have to lift it back. This needs to hinge. There's two hinges, I believe. There's two. And we will need to push it back and let it rest by itself back there. So let's see if we can get these up. Okay, so I may have to pull it out just a little more here. There we go. All right, so there's a little bit here, but not much. There's not much that I can see there. Actually looks pretty clean down there as well. We can get this off here. So I'm going to go ahead and do that off camera, I guess. Some on the door over the side over here. But that's really the extent of it. So we'll clean that up, and then we will go outside and clean the exhaust vent out. Okay, everything's looking really good here. Let's close it up. Our screws trap back in place. So we're outside with the vacuum cleaner, the hose, and the exhaust vent here. My exhaust vent has some kind of little trap here. It has a little hose in there, I guess so that birds can't build a nest, or squirrels or something can get in there. So I'm kind of limited about how far I can go in there. So we'll see what we can do. Alright, so now let's go ahead, go back down to the dryer, and we will do our air cycle. Okay, back at the dryer, we're going to go through a quick air dry, probably like a few minutes, and try to clean all the remaining lint out. Oh, I could hear it really suck some out. So that should be it. We should be good. Thanks for watching the video. Dryer lint back attachment. Seemed to work out pretty well. Try to do this, I don't know, 6 months, every 6 months, something like that. Till next time, have a great day. Take care.